It's nearly impossible to go through anything that takes that long. But if you did, it would change you. It would slow you down. It would make you realize that new things take time. It's like magic, right? So was 1,000 photographs in one verse. But with power, you plant a seed into the ground, the whole world develops, stretches out, and opens out. It's easy to get confused when we're moving so fast in time, to think that we're doing the right thing, we're really not.
I saw Luz. I'm not kidding. I saw Luz. Mother. Father. Hello? Are you there? Oh my gosh. I'm all alone. Stuck in the bedroom. Can nobody protect me? Am I that evil? Am I that mean? Tell me what's wrong with me. What is happening to me? Oh, I'm so cold. I can't breathe. Father, where are you? Oh my Lord, the ghost is coming. Oh, I'm so scared. And I started to run into the bathroom, and then I started to... Father, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for being a horrible daughter. I'm sorry for not doing my homework. I'm sorry. And I'm sorry for taking my sister's necklace. And when she said, you didn't take it? I said, no. I'm sorry. Oh my Lord, they're coming again.
Have you ever made a wish? Have you ever made a wish? I make them all the time. I watch for the first star each night. Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. Wish I may, I wish I may. Have the wish I wish tonight. I always make the same wish. I can't tell you what it is. But then again, it might not be true. I really wanted to. It would change my life. I go to the wishing well with lucky pennies. Those pennies you find that people have lost. Unlucky for them. Lucky for me. And then I throw them in front of the wishing well in front of the old museum. And then I throw them at the fountain at the mall. Each time making my wish. Have you ever wanted a wish so bad? So bad that you can't not imagine a future without it? I would be so sad if my life wasn't any different. If things didn't change. If I was stuck here in this life. But I can't stop wishing. I can't. I won't. I don't want to be left with nothing. Zero. Give me some meaning and make the suffering worthwhile.
If there's a pain, nurse it. And if there's the flame, don't snuff it out and be brutal with it. How you live your life is your business. How her life is her business. And how I live my life is my business. But remember, our hearts and our bodies are given to us only once. And most people can't help but live as though they've got two lives to live. One, the mock-up, the other, the finished version. Then there's all those versions in between. But there's only one. And before you know it, your heart, it's worn out. And as for your body, it comes to a point where no one looks at it. Just once you come near it. Right now, there's sorrow. I don't envy the pain, but I envy you, the pain.
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Come on, I like it. I like it.
Are you happy? Happy? If I'm honest, but I'm furious. I'm furious in my sadness, and I'm furious in my joy. I am ever feeling, ever seeking. I'm in awe of
beautiful moments life gives us. And I'm in awe of the difficult ones. I am transfixed by grief, by growth. It is all so stunning, so rich, and I will never tell myself that I cannot be somber, cannot be hurt, cannot be overjoyed. I want to feel it all. I don't want to cover it up or numb it. So no, I am not happy. I am open, and I wouldn't have it any other way.
It is literally impossible to be a woman. You're so smart, so beautiful, and it kills me when you don't think you're good enough. Like we have to always be extraordinary, but somehow we are always doing it wrong. You have to be too, but not too deep. And you can never say you want to be deep. You have to say you want to be healthy. But also, we have to be deep. We are supposed to stay pretty for men, but not too pretty that you tag them too much or that you have threatened other women because you are supposed to be part of the system. You can never get old, never be selfish, never show off, never feel, never fall down, never get out of line. I'm just so tired watching myself and other women tie themselves into knots so that people will like us. If that is also true, just for a doll representing women, then I don't